I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Messenger if you delete conversation. So what you want to do is open up your messages, and let's say I blocked this person, and now of course, I won't have access to this account, and for example, even if I deleted messages, I just won't be able to access them. So if I click delete, now they are blocked and I have any messages. Like, how can I unblock them? Well, go to the top left, click on the gear icon, click on privacy and safety, and then click on blocked accounts. Find that person you blocked, click on it, and then you can unblock messages and calls, and you can even block them further on Facebook. Click on unblock, then wait a few seconds, and now they are not blocked anymore. They won't show here, but you have unblocked them successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.